Oh! Hey, what's up guys? ICRC83 here, on location of a potential bash site. It snowed a lot more than I thought today and yesterday, but I think we can make something out of this. We got a little runway here and we got some snow built up, and I've also brought a couple ramps with me, so we'll see what we can do. Got an SMC big 6S pack in here. This is the V3 Kraton with hobby wing system in it, so it should have enough power. I've got the Magmas on it, which are essentially like paddle tires for the snow. I have this brand new CNHL 6200 6S pack in there, as well as these Pro-Line Dumont paddle tires. And if you saw my last video with this Mojave and the Traxxas UDR ripping around and jumping in the snow, then you'll know that these paddles work great. All right, let's see. I find the best position for these ramps. That's a bigger pile over there, but it's not very smooth. Yeah, I bet we can make this work. Oh, it's deep stuff. All right, so we'll test it out first with the Mojave. Whoa, going crazy. All right, so, very thick. Thick snow. Nice. Man, this is thick stuff. Jeez. Ooh-wee. Oh. Dang, nose plant. Oh, I broke something. That sucks. Well, that didn't last long. Hopefully this Kraton doesn't break quite as fast. It hit it on an angle. Not a good launch. The snow is so deep, I can hardly stand in this. Nice. Still kind of hit it cockeyed. Oops. Now. Yes. Oh, let's go, Kraton. Woo, double. Those Magmas were shredding that body. That's what that sound was. Nice. Nice. This thing's packed. Packed with snow. Yeah. Sorry ESC, sorry motor, sorry battery, sorry everything. If you guys like these videos, you know this is a good time to remind you, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that hype button. And if you like any of these products, I'm not sponsored by them, but I do happen to have affiliate links. Those are sort of the next best. It doesn't cost you any more to, oh, forgot about the ramps right there. It doesn't cost you any more to purchase whatever it is you're about to purchase. And it doesn't give you any spam, nothing. All it does is give me a small percentage of the purchase, so I can keep making good videos like this. Because if you haven't noticed, these things are expensive. And YouTube doesn't happen to pay very much. So all that helps me out. Those wheels are so caked with snow, they look like they have hubcaps on. White hubcaps. The big one. Oh, I totally missed the ramp. That sucks. Okay, look at these white hubs. Never thought you needed hubcaps for an RC. Well, you got them. See if I can spin these hubcaps off. Nope. They like to be on there. This is what I'm talking about. You see me huffing and puffing? Come on. I think I'm locked in here. Ah, the battery. The battery literally died right at the end, and then I broke it because the battery died. That's another RC annoyance. When the battery dies, it's always at the worst possible time. Oh, wow. Snapped the rod end. Didn't just pull it out of the eye here, it snapped it out. It actually broke off of the arm here. Again, didn't just pull it out, it snapped it out. And that is due to cold weather like this. That's what happens, folks. You gotta pay to play in the cold weather. So on that Mojave, we got a cracked arm here right where it goes into the hinge pin. I'll see if I can get Big Al's mod on there to shore that up. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the video I did on that, and you'll thank me later. This dog bone popped out, but it doesn't look like it's bent or anything, so as far as I can tell. And then this, of course, sustained a little more damage, but interestingly, both on the front. That Kraton at least lasted a little longer, so that's good. A little more footage out of that, a little more fun. But guys, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.